We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your drum, and I'm working with a Brother MFC L5850dw. It's pretty simple. You're going to change it kind of like you change your toners. Hit this button, it'll open your front hatch. Pull this lever out. Separate your toner from your drum. And then you want to just take your drum, set it to the side, unbox your new one. Put your old toner in it. Once you hear it click, you know it's in place. And when you are replacing your drum, it's always a good idea to take this little blue thing, run it back and forth a few times, and then make sure that that arrow is in locking position. You'll hear it click in place. Then insert it into the machine. Anytime you're replacing your drum, you do have to reset it, so shut your front hatch. And then you're going to hit this little tools button in the top right hand corner. And then you're going to hit all settings. You're going to go down to machine info. And then you're going to hit parts life. And you're going to hold down drum. You hold it down until you get the prompt and it's going to say reset drum, and you're going to hit yes. Then you're good to go. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brenda a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.